All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you different fraction divisions. I've discovered that whenever fraction is to be divided, many students often make mistakes. But once this is understood, one thing is to know how to use the board mass, another thing is how to divide fractions. So there are some important divisions that I'm going to be showing here, and I believe this is going to be helping someone. So let's start. Number one, if you have a over b divided by c over d, note this division. This can actually be written as a over b divided by c over d. And there's one thing about fraction division. Whenever you are turning a division sign here to multiplication, right, the denominator on the right hand side will migrate to the numerator. They will interchange. So this can still be written as a over b times d over c. So at the end of it, this fraction will result into AD, right, over what? Over BC. So that is that about that. Then let's move on to the second one. Number two, if you have A over B, right, divided by C, you can see this long division. This is still the same thing as saying A over B, right, divided by what? C. In reality, this is like saying C over 1. Okay? So this will return A over B times what? 1 over C. So A times 1, that is A. Then B times C, that is what? BC. Then the last one I want to show is the number 3. So the third one is when you have A divided by B over C. This is another unique one. This is the same thing as saying A divided by B over C. And this is the same thing as saying this A is basically A over 1. So that would be what? A over 1 times C over what? B. And that will give us what? AC over what? Over B. All right. So please quickly check through all these divisions and see if it does make some sense. So before I proceed, let me solve an example that will require the use of this division I have given here. For example, okay, so let's look at this example here. So example. So this example here, it says that simplify 3 over 10, right, divided by what? 7 over 13. So basically this one will give us what? 3 over 10, following one of those, right, divided by what? 7 over 13. And this will return 3 over 10 times what? 13 over what? Over 7. So the question is, what is 3 times 13? That is 39. Divided by 10 times 7, that is what? 70. So this is the final answer, to this problem. All right. So that is that about that. Now let's look at one more example. Okay. So if we have something like this again, so this one says simplify. This one says simplify. This one says simplify 2 over 5 divided by what? 3. So this one is the same thing as saying 2 divided by 5 over 3. Right, this is 2 over 1 automatically. Then this will return 2 times, that's 2 over 1 times 3 over 5. And that will give us 2 times 3, that is 6 divided by 5. That is 1 times 5, that is 5. Then this is an improper fraction. We can take it to a mixed fraction. How many 5 can we say in 6? That is 1. Remainder something over 5. So that is 5 in 6, 1. Remainder what? 1. So that would be what? One whole number, 1 over 5. Let's check. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 6. That's 6 over 5. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And please do the needful thing. See you in the next video. Thank you.